Rahim removes all the hearts from the cards. What is the probability of getting an ace from the remaining pack diamond card, and that is not a heart card, and the ace of hearts that is given. So here, so total number of cards are 52. In that, heart cards are removed. So number of hearts that are 13. So 13 cards removed after. Now number of cards. So removing after hearts, number of cards are 52 minus 13, that is nothing but 39. Now this 39 gives the total number of possible outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes equal to 39. Now our to ask the first problem, getting an ace from the remaining pack. So here ace cards are total 4 there, but here that heart cards are removed. That means now the ace cards are three only. That means the number of favorable outcomes are 3. So probability of getting card is an ace P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here favorable outcomes are 3, total number of possible outcomes are 39, that is nothing but 3 by 39. The simplification of 3 by 39 is nothing but 3 ones 3, 13s 39, that is 1 by 13. Now the second question given, diamond card taken purpose, what is the probability? So here in that deck of cards, number of diamond cards are 13. That means the number of favorable outcomes are 13. So probability of getting card is a diamond P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here favorable outcomes are 13 and total possible outcomes are 39. So 13 by 39, it is nothing but 13 ones 13 threes. So that is the probability of getting a diamond is 1 by 3. Next, the problem is given, that is not a heart. Not a heart means that is nothing but remaining all. So taken card is not a heart. Means remaining any one. That means it is sure event. So probability of getting card is not a heart is 1. Why? Because it is sure event, we said. Otherwise, so if heart cards are removed, the number of cards are 39. So we can write probability of that event is equal to number of favorable outcomes 39 by total number of possible outcomes 39. So 39 by 39 is equal to 1. Next, the fourth question is given, that is a ace of heart. So here we removed heart card only. That means again ace card is available, that is not available. We already removed heart cards. So again ace of heart is not chance to pick. So it is impossible event. So the probability of getting card is ace of heart P of E is equal to 0. 5 cards, the 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is selected at random. What is the probability that the card is queen? If the queen is selected and put aside, what is the probability that the second card selected is an ace and a queen? That is the problem given. So here given cards are 5, that are 10, jockey, queen, king and ace. So given cards are 10, jockey, queen, king and ace. So there are 5 cards. So total number of possible outcomes equal to 5. Now our to ask first question, what is the probability that the card is queen? So here how many queen cards there? Only single. So taking queen card, to possible outcomes one. So probability of selected card is queen. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, that is equal to 1 by 5. Now the second question is given, if the queen card is selected and put aside. So now number of cards, so the card is put aside, that means 5 minus 1 equal to 4. That means now the total number of possible outcomes is 4. Now here asked first question, the second card selected is yes. So here yes cards are how many presented? Here yes cards are 1 only. So yes card selecting possibilities are 1. That means the favorable outcomes are 1. So for probability of selected card is yes. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes 1 and total number of possible outcomes are 4. That means 1 by 4. Now the second question given, again selecting a queen card. So here if we observed, first one we find about queen only and that queen card put a side. So here queen card is not there. So that card selecting is not possible. So it is impossible event. So the probability of an impossible event is 0. Probability of selected card queen is 0. If we want to say problematic model, then the queen card to number of favorable outcomes are 0 and total number of possible outcomes are 4. So 0 by 4 is equal to 0. In that model also we have a chance to show. What is the probability of a number picked from first 20 natural numbers is even composite number. So here our to given first 20 natural numbers. So the total number of possible outcomes are first 20 numbers. That means total number of possible outcomes are 20. Now in that we want to get even composite number. So even composite numbers from 1 to 20 are, here we want to write only even composite number. So first one is 2, 4, 6, 9 is even composite but that is not even. 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 is composite but that is not even. 16, 18 and 20 is also even composite. So here they are 9. So number of favorable outcomes are 9. So now the probability of a number picked from first 20 natural numbers to even composite number. So probability of selected number is an even composite number. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here favorable outcomes are 9 and total number of possible outcomes are 20. So that is nothing but 9 by 20. If a coin is tossed n times, otherwise n coins are tossed simultaneously, then the number of total outcomes are 2 power n. So a coin tossed means we get only 2 possible outcomes, that are head and tail. If it will be n times tossed, then the probabilities total outcomes 2 is 2 power n. Now by using this principle, now we solve the problems. If 2 coins tossed simultaneously, there are probability of each outcome is 1 by 3. That is true or not? That one explain asked. So if 2 coins are tossed, then total number of possible outcomes is 2 power, here 2 coins given, that is n equal to 2. So 2 power 2, that equal to 4. And here the possible outcomes are on the top face 2 heads looking, otherwise 1 head 1 tail, otherwise tail head, otherwise tail tail. So here total number of possible outcomes are 4, but here given the possible outcome for total number in the denominator 1 3. So it is not possible. So the given one is wrong. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcomes each time. Dikshita wins if all tosses gives the same result, that is 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that she will lose the game. So here 3 coins are tossed. So if 3 coins are tossed, then total number of possible outcomes that are 3 coins purpose 2 power 3, that is equal to 8. 2 cube is equal to 8. Now here we observe what are the 8 outcomes. The outcomes are head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head. So tail, head, head, and tail, tail, tail. So these are the 8 possible outcomes. In that, if 3 same result, 3 heads, 3 tails coming, she wins, otherwise loses. So here 3 heads and 3 tails comes here to 2 times only. That means she loses the game purpose. How many chances there? 6. So for losing the game has chances to Dikshita are 6. Now this 6 is nothing but the number of favorable outcomes. So probability of losing the game P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here favorable outcomes are 6 and total number of possible outcomes are 8. That is 6 by 8. By that simplification of 6 by 8 is nothing but 3 by 4.